There is something magical about carbs on crab. We're talking toasted bread, dipped into potatoes, whipped with garlic, and canned crab claw meat for a rich, silky crab brandade. Welcome to Cooking Companion TV, where we make fanciful food for playful people. I'm Jenna, and this is part of a series on tinned crab meat, how to cook with it, how to shop for it, and where to buy it. If decadent food you can make at home is your emotional support animal, join me. This is part of a series on hero ingredients where I focus on a special ingredient like canned crab meat and explore with 3 recipes. To get notifications of the next recipes, subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. The best crab meat for dip is claw meat. Brandade is usually made with cod that is whipped into the potatoes so it all disintegrates into one homogeneous mixture. That's why I chose claw meat. It's got a shredded texture and I wanted it to break up into the rest of the ingredients. This isn't about a brand of tinned crab meat. It's about the species, specifically Indonesian blue swimming crab, because in my experience, it is the cleanest and freshest tasting, and this particular meat is pretty mild, which again was a deliberate choice considering the other ingredients. Brandade is like a crab meat dip without cream cheese. Russet potatoes are diced to be boiled. The smaller the dice, the quicker they soften. And we want to add flavor, so I'm boiling them with fresh thyme, a bay leaf, and a lot of garlic. Usually the cod might be cooked with the potatoes, or they're boiled in the same water used to poach the cod. Since the crab meat is already cooked, I'm adding flavor this way. Cover with water, add salt and boil, and we'll pick out the herbs once it's all cooked. Add it straight to the bowl with the crab meat, reserve the cooking water, and then pick out most of the garlic. I mean, you can pick out the garlic at any point in this. We'll want to flavor an oil that also gets whipped in. And this is about 1/4 cup of oil that is gently heated with the garlic for even more garlic flavor. We don't want to crisp or brown the garlic. Just infuse the oil with the flavor and mash it up. While it mixes together, slowly pour in the warm oil and smashed garlic. I think smashing it helps it integrate better with everything else. Add a little cayenne and nutmeg and lemon zest to keep it from being too heavy. We'll use the cooking water to thin it out so it's a creamy dip and not a thick paste. And of course, some type tart dairy like creme fraiche or sour cream. And this is how it comes together eventually. It can be served hot or cold. I finally get to use these little style cocottes that I've been holding onto for years. So I'm going to warm up the brandade and these in the oven. And it is creamy and comforting and mostly tastes like potatoes and garlic with a light crab flavor instead of cod. Just enough to make me want to be cuddled up by a fire by the ocean in the winter. Perfect. Now, Ocean Box carries my preferred type of crab, although I don't think they have crab claw meat there. I got that at HMart, but check out what else is available at oceanbox.com. And this is an affiliate link, which helps support the channel. Again, if you're into fanciful food for playful people, especially if you're a child-free foodie like me, subscribe to the channel for more everyday decadence and say hello. See you in the next one.